I see my daughter turning up in a front seat. She was getting that thing. On our way to bowling. I'm waiting on Duke right now to get in the car. I think we're gonna do bowling and then probably get something to eat, and then we're going to do my tattoo. So we're going to finally cover this up, y'all. I'm going to laugh. I'm going to laugh when I do it. Oh my god, come on to focus. I tried to do a little something today. My skin, I feel like it's okay, but I feel like my pores are getting larger. I don't know. I don't like it. Sit down. I'm finna write this up on you. Sit down. Oh, it's gonna get you. All right, y'all. So
let's go.
No, we going bowling.
Bowling? Yeah. Give me back.
You wanna go home with your grandma, or you wanna go bowling?
I wanna go.
Let me call her. Honey, she keeps saying she wanna go home with you.
Oh, honey. Wanna come home with Granny?
I'm gonna ask you this again. You wanna go with Granny, or you wanna go with me to the bowling alley? Girl, don't shake your head. Girl. And then what she got you on don't look right anyways. You see that?
Oh. Granny.
Let me ask you one more time. You wanna come with mommy, or you wanna go with Granny? Oh, make some room, honey.
Make some room for what?
Say she finna come home. Huh?
They going out of here.
Girl, I don't care if he was there or not. I'm saying.
Honey. You know I won't be bothered too.
Where the kids?
What else?
Where they go?
They go home.
They here?
They here?
No, they go back.
Where they go?
What happened to your toe? What happened to your toe? Them shoes was like they flat. What happened to your toe?
Look, right here. Granny, that hurt my foot.
Oh,
I got a lump on my foot. That hurt.
okay.
You got pushed on it.
Oh.
All right, girl. All right, y'all heard that. She said she want to go with her granny, so we finna take us to her granny house. We finna take you to granny house.
Why she can't know it?
I was just about to say something before I got in the car, and so she's talking about, I'm gonna go with granny. I want to go with granny. Y'all, so we do feel well. Right, I feel a little disconnected, but that's only because we had a little argument yesterday. He got to work on it. He said he got insecurity problems, y'all. So he said he gonna work on it. But he said she wanna go home, so I might as well just take us home.
Right here.
Yeah. But I'm finna be tatted up. That's enough. I don't want no more, y'all. After this cover up, I'm gonna cover up my back tattoo, and then that's it. I ain't get no more tats. I promise. They bought me some AirPods, y'all. I'm definitely gonna use these.
At the light,
So
turn
I
right
can't wait to open these. Dang, y'all, we just finna go bowling right here, and it's closed. It's closed.
modified hours due to COVID-19.
They probably all closed at 7 whole time.
Operation on our website at www.ams.com. Please note that in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19, we will be implementing several changes to our operating standards. You can view these details.
What is that, web mask? Wear masks, clean the bowling balls off. What?
COVID.
They got the things where they balls come up anyway where they clean it or like wax them.
That's
Right.
what they do when they go through.
Remember? Ain't it? They should. They should have a like cleaning thing every time the ball come up. It should be clean.
Yeah, they got one. They got a little thing that clean the ball for.
Shit, that's it. And mask.
Horse.
Little bitty horse. Okay, there it goes. Autofocus.
We are now open with
Alright, man. Don't make us drive out here, man.
You want to call again? Let me call them. Let me call them.
Cause I'm gonna go in that motherfucker.
I'm finna bowl with a dress on, y'all.
I'm about to eat
Whole
something.
time on my menstrual and shit. Eat with you, damn.
You know I got you, baby. Damn.
I don't want nothing you want.
What the fuck you want? What you want?
What you trying to get? I thought you was gonna bowl first. You hungry? Just get something to snack on.
That's what I'm saying. I'm about to get just.
What you get some Wendy's? Get some Wendy's or something.
Yeah. Where we gonna get some Wendy's from?
Huh? I don't know. Let me see if let me call them first.
Just don't let that camera fall, cause I'm about to hit this U-turn.
All right, go ahead.
That's exactly how you gotta be tonight.
Keep that energy.
When you lose, yeah.
No, when I lose. All right, y'all. So the bet is y'all gonna see. He finna snap on this tat. You know me, I can take a tattoo. If y'all ain't seen my other video with this lion, he was supposed to put color in it. Then y'all know I can take it. Y'all already know.
At the light, turn right onto North Central Avenue.
All right, let me call Forest Lane, y'all. It's a manual item.
That's going straight to the gutter. Every time.
The best drink ever. Still suck it, so. I almost slid, you see me? I won. That's why he knew. Oh. What? You a hater. I'm talking right here. You a hater.
Trash.
He a hater, y'all. But look at the points though.
Don't look at the points.
Look at the points. 85 to 28. I'm a beast. Nah.
I let you do it because you cried.
Nah, you a hater.
Because you cried about the last one, right?
Nope. Cause you a cheater, y'all. He had in the last game. It was on the 10th one. I had my 2 turns and he had 2 turns, but they gave him an extra turn.
Whatever.
That's cheating. He did something with the thing. We had fun.
Yeah, I just went so crazy, y'all.
Boy, bye. No, you didn't.
Twice.
Real hot in that hallway.
It smell like
Some kind of don't say it. Don't smell like some kind of farm food. Like you.
pork skins.
No, it smell like something. It smell like something you would give the animals when they in a farm. Don't it? You know what I want to do?
What you want to do?
Where's that at, baby?
What?
Okay, y'all, let me know where that's at. Where you can raise your window down and go through the forest, and then the animals come to your car.
Oh, shit.
You know where that's at?
What is that?
Let me know where that's at, y'all, cause I want to do it. Oh.
Yours broke twice, man.
No, that's yours.
Buddy ass, owe me some bread.
Let's see. Food places near me. I got you, baby.
You tired of me not listening? I'm full attention right here, baby.
Y'all see this man? How many times I had to keep looking at him? I looked at you like 20 times. I looked at the camera, then I looked at you. Then I looked at the camera, and then I looked at you. Then I heard a sound, and I'm like, damn, should I say so or should I get the fuck out of here? Then I looked at you like, okay, hold on. What do you have a taste for, baby? What are you thinking about?
I don't really have a taste for
Do you want to
everything.
get from around here, like right now?
Pretty much. Yeah.
So I could find something within not this forest, whatever the fuck
Place,
area?
Yeah.
Because I can't find nothing around here but Tony's breakfast spot.
Yeah. Because fuck Tony. What'd you say? I bet you want to say it to my face.
Y'all be getting makeup on base sheets and stuff. I'm so sorry. I be telling him I'm so sorry. My mama gave me this little pajama thing. Look. Changed my outfit, child. Got the fupa now. I ain't not gonna take these earrings off. These motherfuckers dirty. They going right in the garbage. Feels so good. And I'm scared of being the... How you move your legs like... I can't. Look at my feet. We didn't get anything to eat, y'all. What the hell we getting here? Nothing. I got these things. He keeps saying he eating these pickles. He ate it with those polishes up in there. They good. Ah. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. I'm gonna see y'all a little later. I'm gonna see y'all a little later when he start the cover up. Y'all, he finna snap on this. This is fine. I take pain. So this tattoo finna be a breeze. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to cover up my nipple, but this is my real hair, y'all. I just blow dried it. The middle part is nappy, but my shit is short. I didn't end my vlog. I'm gonna vlog today, but I'm gonna end it right here for the one that I wanted to do. I mean, when I did the tattoo. So I'm just going to censor that out. But yeah, but yes, when he was doing the tattoo and wiped away, he rubbed some of my skin off. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.